Today we're going to make colorful rain in a glass. So what you're gonna need is a glass filled with water, another glass filled with oil, and liquid food dye. Let's get started. So first, you're going to grab your food dye and add it into the oil. Okay. Next, you're gonna mix it all up, but be very, very careful because remember guys, this is glass. Wow, look. This reminds me of a lava lamp. Super cool. All right. Now we're going to add our oil into the water. Oil and water don't dissolve in each other, so the liquids remain separate. When the dye droplets reach the oil and water boundary, they dissolve into the water. See? Do you see it, guys? It's starting to rain. Whoa. Let's see. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know how it goes.